what's going to happen is I'm going to produce a sound that a letter makes, and what you're going to do is you're going to take the pointer and you're going to point to what letter makes that sound, okay? So I'll say the letter sound, and all you have to do is point to it. And you can, like let's say I say a sound, ah, and I point to the wrong one, I can go ahead and change my answer, okay? So that's okay, and we're just going to go through, and you're going to try your very best. And I can't help you, so if you have any questions, you're just going to have to try your best, okay? Okay, so I'm going to give that to you. And first, we're going to go over the alphabet one more time. So that way we know which sounds we're looking for, right? So for A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G. Okay, I know this one says 2, but we're going to go with G for this one. H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, M, N, N, O, A, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z. Very good. All right. That's the sheet that we're working on. Okay, so let me find a little sheet here. There we go.
What if I can't point to it all the way?
If you can't point to it all the way, tell you what, try to, and I'll do my best to see which one you're pointing to, okay? Because I think you'll be able to reach it pretty well with that pointer. Okay, so our first one, B, B, B. Very good. Ah. Awesome. K, K. All right, there are 2 that make this sound. So on the next one, find the other letter, okay? D. D. Very good.
Okay, no, this one.
Okay. All right. Ah. 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 Alrighty. K. K. Remember this time it's not K. K. Alrighty. G. 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 H. H. Very good. I. 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 Look at the top, look at the bottom, look on the sides. All the letters are there. I. 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 Alrighty. J. 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 O. 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 L, O, O, O. Very good. Mmm. Alrighty. N. Very good. Ah. Alrighty. P. Very good. Qu. Very good. R. You're doing great. See, I told you could reach it. T.
I know that one because it's and
What? Very good. Yeah. Zzz. Right in front of you. Okay, thank you so much. You can go ahead and head back to class and I will take that. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and show our letters here. Oh, hold on. Let's see the letters. Okay, these are our letters that we've been working with and they're mixed up on the floor with lower and capital. Okay, so we're gonna play a fun game. It's kind of like a little activity. And I'm gonna give you this pointer. And what you're gonna do is I'm gonna say a sound that our letters make. So the first one is gonna be ah. You're gonna take your pointer and you're gonna point to which letter you think makes that sound. Now let's say I pick a letter and I decide, oh no, I don't want that letter anymore. I actually wanted this one. You can go ahead and change your answer, okay? So I'm going to give this to you. And we're going to go through the letters. So you're going to have to listen to my sounds that I make. But first, we're going to go through our alphabet. Do you remember this? Looking at this? You remember looking at this?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to say the sounds with me so that way we know which sounds we're looking for, okay? First one, A is ah. You don't have to point to it yet. Just say the sound with me, okay? A is ah.
Corn.
B is b. C is k. D is d. E is f. F is f. G is g. H is h. I is I. J is j. K is k. L is o. M is m. N is n. O is ah. P is p. Q is qu. R is r. S is s. T is t. U is V is v. W is w. X is x. Y is y.
Eggs.
And Z, you know this one, don't you?
Yeah, named Zoe.
Yep, and what does this letter say?
Zebra.
Z. There you go. Okay. Now listen carefully.
Okay.
B. B. B.
B.
All right, point to which one you think it is. B. 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 All righty. Ah. D. D. Alrighty. Eh. Alrighty. F. F. G. 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 Huh. Huh. Eh. Eh. J. J. K. O. 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 Mm. 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 N. N. Mm. Ah. Ah. Oh, that one? Okay. Doing good. P. P. R. 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 Qu. Qu. Very good. T. 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 V. W. W. X. X. Yeah. Yeah. Z. Z. Which one? That one? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. You can go ahead and go back to class and I will take that. Thank you so much for working hard today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Good job. Okay. So now that I've collected some data from the assessment, I can go ahead and share that with you as well. So from the student I just assessed, this was their scores. As you can see, the first column is their first try, second try, and third try, and then the X's over here is if they just missed it entirely. And then I also put the letter they chose down. As you can see, for K, she chose L instead, and so on. For another student I assessed, this was their score sheet. And as you can see, they still missed a couple, but now I know that those are the letters that we do need to go over their sounds. And this was another student I assessed. As you can see, similar, I was seeing similar between the two. So these are letters that we really don't need to go over as much versus these that I saw on multiples that I know that we'll probably need to go over a little bit more. So this does give me an idea on where my students are at and where they need to be going forward, and gives me an idea on what lessons to therefore plan for these students. This activity was actually really fun and the students seemed to enjoy it. And I gave them practicing using those letter sounds and seeing that the letters mixed up and not normally seeing them how they say them in the alphabet, which is what they're used to practicing. But right now in our lessons and today, we've really been focusing on specific letter recognition on both visual and in sound, to help students understand that the alphabet doesn't just go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, blah, 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 but letters themselves make sounds, and mixing up the order of letters is how we form words. So today went really well, and now I have a better idea on where I'm going next.